Hello everyone, my name is Sascha and I'm an English native speaker and I've been teaching English for well over 10 years now. I've had the pleasure to teach people based in Russia, people based in the Middle East, clients based in the Far East, in Asia, in the United States, Brazil, you name it. In that time, I know how important it is to communicate effectively. You are a young professional, you're an aspiring student, you know that building your CV, preparing yourself for this world is more important now than ever. But what about communication? Do you know how to communicate with someone from Germany? Do you know the details of what the differences are between someone from Southern Europe meeting someone from North America? This is something you can't learn in the textbook. With my team, we've built a very effective method, and we've helped countless of clients from around the world in law and accounting and energy and beyond to help them achieve their business success. So I'm really thrilled and excited to offer my services here on QualPros, either on an individual basis or one of my courses. So I look forward to hearing from you to make sure that you achieve the success that you desire. See you soon. Take care.